Welcome to episode 30, Refitting Queen Bee. I built a new cupboard and mahogany veneer for our stacking in the sideboard. Aside, later I needed to paint it white due to my wife's order. Our next project started. This is actually for my galley, the bottom part. So I'm going to paint it just that it looks a little nicer. I'm sanded it already, and here on this side I still have some mahogany left. The mahogany just will be cut later, and I'm going to clean it. And the bottom part here, that will be epoxied, so that in case of some water, or some humidity, it's actually then also protected. Good. Next part is now cleaning with acetone. I guess I don't need to show you. Epoxy will be the next. Good. The epoxy will be only applied on the bottom part. Yeah, let me show you how that looks like. Hey, all that things away. And I think that looks pretty good. I think with 20 degrees it should be hardened in the next 20 to 30 minutes. So that will be the new fourth layer for our galley, which there was the brown water tank in, which I don't want to have because I'm redoing that next year. Now I need to just get that a little flattened, because of that will be the side of the hull of the boat. Yeah, a little dusty. Good, that looks fine. And that's the front side. So here the mahogany comes on. First, what I'm going to do is I just epoxy it again, also the main surface, just there only a little bit, and this a little stronger. And yeah, I have to clean it first, sure. And here comes a very small part on top, so that our pots and pans won't fall out. Probably lesson learned, don't put it into the sun, because that's weird. So that's done. Next will be getting those things on. So after that's done, I have to put some pressure on it. So this looks perfect. Now I need this. Next part is I put some load on it, and then it's good. Funny update, how to squeeze it. I missed some of the wraps and I couldn't do it actually, so I needed to do it that way. Still fine, as we can see everything is coming smooth out. Thing is only not that happy because of now I need to just adjust a couple of things But it's fine, it's going to work. It worked last time, so this time it will work too. Good morning. It's a little snow outside, but it's still super warm. So that means here we have around 14 degrees already. That's good. What am I going today is, there is all my paintings. Quick sanding. These do not need to be so super in order because of this one. It's inside the cupboard and there's a lot of parts standing on. I need one roller. The finish looked excellent and I like the glossy shine. You continue then with the cupboard. Good, let's start. Oh yeah, luckily it works as expected. Well, it's good. A little fusion, and that will be epoxied first. And even freehand, it's absolutely smooth. Good as this it will look. Maybe I smoothen this a little bit, whatever. So other part will be now, I need to just get one part here exactly in front. Actually not this, so the bigger one, which I wanted to have. And therefore I just need to cut it exactly. Maybe even always a little bit longer. And here where my hand is, I just smoothen that down so that there is space actually for our Schubladen thing, drawer I mean. This will be the part for the veneer where the bottles come in, maybe probably one here and the other one here. So that means like oil, vinegar and a wine. So let me just play one thing a little around here. After actually I just saw a little bit more there. Good, next part. EP30 Mahogany color. And I want to start applying that. That side of glass is fitting excellent. Good, let me see. Oh yeah. I love it. Yes, this is the quick update on what's achieved. So that's gluing, that's fine. Just need to paint that later. Also, this looks excellent. And wow, the wood looks like mahogany. This, by the way, is teak. Good, that seems wonderful. It fits in nicely. And by the way, that's so tough. There is no epoxy needed. I need to squeeze some of them a little further in, but that one I do with the clamps. Well, I asked my neighbor for just more clamps, and I was clamping it nicely now. Yeah, that's fine. So it looks like this. So that one is in. With the other one it's dried. It just can come on top here. So here is space for our wine bottles. And what's the part for today? What I want. rust in a couple of hours.